It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 29th of January. I'm Michael Groff. Once again, we're the envy of the rest of the country with temperatures above average and generally dry conditions. That'll continue for the next couple of days. But unsettled weather will be coming in here by Thursday night and into Friday, much of the weekend, and perhaps all the way into next week. Let's talk about it. First, the almanac from yesterday, 72 for the high, 47 the morning low, and you see those normal highs are beginning to creep up once again. Outside right now, mostly cloudy skies out there. We start out at 52 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 37, humidity 58%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area this morning, mid-40s in some of the cool pockets, but generally we're in the low and middle 50s here in central Phoenix. And if you think maybe you got to bring a light jacket with you to work today, at least you don't live in the upper Midwest, the northern plain states, where they're dealing with temperatures like this. 21 degrees below zero in Grand Forks, 22 below in Crookston, 25 below in Bemidji, minus 20 in Minot. How about, I believe that is Roosevelt, Minnesota, 28 degrees below zero, and that is just the air temperature. You factor in the wind. Well, the winter here, Thief River Falls at 58 degrees below zero, 49 below Grand Forks, 52 below Walhalla, 56 below St. Vincent. Yeah, it is quite cold, and those bitter cold temperatures, if you think they're bad now, they get even colder as we go through the day today and into tonight. Air temperatures will get down to minus 40, wind chills minus 60 to minus 65. I think I'll stay in Phoenix. Upper air look across the country. There's that very cold upper trough, that vortex over the northern plains moving into the Great Lakes states, pushing a cold front to the southeast U.S. We are under the protection of a broad ridge, which extends all the way up into the northeast Pacific. The watch warning map, wind chill warnings, no surprise here from the Dakotas, Minnesota, south and eastward through much of the Midwest, Kentucky, even down into Tennessee. They'll see wind chills into the teens, maybe the single digits. And winter weather advisories go all the way south into the deep south, Mississippi, Alabama. It is snowing in Columbus, Mississippi, and Birmingham and Tuscaloosa, Alabama this morning. How about that? Severe weather outlook for today, nothing expected across the country, and precipitation valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. Amounts here in the valley could be anywhere from 1/2 to 1 inch, with slightly heavier totals in the favored upslope areas, and certainly Southern California could get a soaking, and they need the rain desperately there. Let's get into the details now as we take a look at the models and see what the future may hold. We'll check out the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. There's our cold upper vortex over the northern plains and the Great Lakes. Here we have that high amplitude ridge still protecting us, so a dry northwesterly flow. I say dry, but we'll have plenty of mid and high level clouds around today thanks to disturbances moving through that flow. But we should stay precipitation free here in the valley today with high temperatures upper 60s and low 70s. Tonight mostly cloudy, lows mid 40s to low 50s. Tomorrow mostly cloudy again, high temperatures around 70, maybe the low 70s. Thursday we've got a little bowling ball type low that's coming down the west coast. This is a compact system, fairly fast moving, but as it moves our way, the clouds will thicken up on Thursday. I think the day stays dry, but by Thursday night, we'll have a chance of showers coming in here, and that'll persist into early Friday as well. High temperatures on Thursday should be around 70. Then Friday will be in the upper 60s to about 70 with that continued chance of at least showers in the morning, and then we'll see decreasing clouds as we go through the afternoon. Then the weekend, we start kind of an unsettled weather pattern in here. As we go to Saturday, we've got a pretty impressive surface low just to the southwest of San Francisco, and rain coming into Southern California, Southern Nevada, the western part of the state. I think by the afternoon and certainly by the evening, we'll have a chance of showers here in the valley. High temperature should back off too into the mid 60s. Saturday night and Sunday, kind of a widespread, at least light to maybe moderate rain event. At this point, keeping the chances of rain at about 50-50, but likely to increase those as model consistency has been pretty good. So the day on Sunday looks mostly cloudy with a pretty good chance of rain off and on through the day. High temperatures low and middle 60s. And Monday still looks unsettled as we'll continue with troughing and disturbances moving through the area. So a chance of showers will hold on with high temperatures around 60 or maybe the low 60s. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 5th of February. We've got another trough moving out into the northern and central plain states. And here, a ridge, at least a shortwave ridge, will try to build in, but shortwave energy will continue to undercut that. So we'll at least have mostly cloudy skies around and high temperatures still right around the mid-60s. Let's go out 10 days. This is the end of the period. Thursday, the 7th of February, and that looks like kind of a zonal flow with troughing off the west coast. So clouds will be around. At this point, we look dry out here, but conditions will not be perfectly stable. High temperatures will likely stay right around average, maybe just a couple of degrees shy of that. Let's check the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. Highs above average at least through the end of the week, and then we'll see temperatures easing off as we get to a more unsettled pattern for the weekend and early next week. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. And your comments, questions, and suggestions, always encouraged as well. Be safe out there, stay warm, and you guys have yourselves a great Tuesday.